and show header should be true. Okay.
Okay.
Which doesn't mean this should be true. This should be always false. Okay. This should be true. Lightning styles true. Okay. We may use some custom styles in the lightning component after we migrating it. That is the reason we are enabling this lightning style sheets to true. This is a really important point.
Okay.
Okay. Second point, these are all the styles. The class you guys are used here one by one and everything.
So what is the main purpose to make that show header true? If we make false, will it be visibly in lightning?
No, not completely. That is the problem. So all the header areas, what you are implementing here, right? This header. Okay.
Yeah.
This particular. Primarily, these things should not be displayed, and moreover, this head element is not related to this one. Okay, this is also a path. So header is nothing but this particular head where we can say in some of the examples. Okay, but ultimately, if header section is the way where you guys are design all your values and everything inside the style, correct? If you want to render this particular piece, you need to render this head. Then only you can see all the styles applicable in lightning experience.
What is this show header actually do? Like you can show in Visual Force page. What is that show header thing? What it will do?
No. Okay, this show header is nothing but where, see, for example, okay, I can tell you the example. See, this head body is there, correct?
Yeah.
In the inspect element, this is the entire page. You can consider this is the entire page. Okay, this is the header. Okay, all their styles and scripts are implemented in this header alone, this head tag alone. Okay, if you are disable this particular header, okay, will it with all these things as display in lightning experience? No. That is what the similar thing is. So if you want me to tell by explaining it in your application perspective itself, I need that credentials. That's what I'm asking.
Okay.
Understand? So right now I couldn't able to show this. That is the reason I go with a different approach. But the ultimate thing is header is a mandatory. While we migrating any of our Visual Force page into lightning experience. This is one point is more than enough if you explain to Nikhil.
Okay, in that header itself, like can you frame that?
This header, show header should be true. Okay, if you are deploying or if you are migrating any of the Visual Force page components into lightning experience.
Okay.
Okay, along with the show header too, this is also really important. Lightning style sheets to true.
Okay.
Okay, and apply HTML tag equal to true. Okay, so what you need to do, Lakshmi, while I'm enabling the show header to true, I ensured that other attributes like apply HTML tag true, lightning style sheets true, okay, are already changed to true or not. That I ensured. Luckily, this particular page, apply HTML tag true and lightning style sheets are already in true. So I have enabled this one to false to true to resolve this particular issue.
Okay.
That is the understanding. You can make this sentence to all the 3 bugs which I have fixed so far. Okay. Which is a common one. Now, fourth point, which is come to the fourth point. DL post preview page. Here, while I am validating all the contents, okay, everything is fine, which means head tag is there, p tag is there, apex page block is there, all the blah 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 item is there. Okay, so I don't feel anything bad to change this particular show header attributes to true from false to true. Okay, you can copy and paste the previous sentences what I told you. But what's the problem happened here is, as I mentioned, in this particular page, someone who has already developed this page, they forgot to enable this particular attribute to do.
Okay.
For example, simply I will tell you what is the meaning of this apply attribute. This is one attribute which is the part of Apex page definition. Attribute part of Apex page definition. If you are setting this particular HTML tag to false, what would happen? What are all the HTML tags? You can first tell me. What are the HTML tags? Head tag is a HTML tag, correct?
Yeah.
H1 tag is a HTML tag. Table tag is a HTML tag. If you are not mentioning apply HTML tag equal to false, while you are running this page as a standalone page, since it is a Visual Force page, this Visual Force page will understand what are all the entries you have written. But when you are migrating this Visual Force page to a Lightning experience, correct?
Yeah.
That time, Lightning Aura component, there is no facility to auto understand all these HTML elements, specifically like head, style, blah 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 item, like this. So for that, to mention that Lightning Aura library, hey, I am the Visual Force page. This particular page has some HTML tags are there. Please allow me to display over there.